so far I've mentioned a term that I really want to define for everybody because I want to make sure everybody knows exactly what I'm talking about. So a couple times now I've mentioned the word borrowing as a part of the Florence transaction. So in simple terms, I just want you to think about this. Every transaction from an accounting standpoint has to balance. So we had in our Florence branch a lot more deposits than we had loans. So when we sent those deposits and loans over to South Carolina Federal, it wasn't balanced, right? So there were more deposits than there were loans. So we actually had to send some cash along with that to make the transaction balance. Well, in order to do that, at the end of September, we had to raise our cash, which raised our assets in order to finalize that transaction. So when I talk about at the end of September, our assets were a little bit inflated, that's because of the extra cash that we had on hand to finalize that transaction.